Wind energy. Concept of wind. Flowing or moving air is called wind. The speed of wind may vary from 5 to 10 km per hour, gentle breeze, to 700 to 800 km per hour, tornado. Wind possesses kinetic energy by virtue of its motion. The kinetic energy of the moving air, wind, is called wind energy. Fast-moving wind can transport dust, sand, and other materials, causing dust storms. Additionally, strong winds can have destructive effects, such as creating storms at sea or uprooting trees on land. Electricity generation with windmills. Nowadays, wind energy is used in a wind generator to produce electricity by making use of a windmill or wind turbine to drive a wind generator. Figure 6.15 shows the arrangement of a wind generator in which a small electric generator or dynamo is placed at the top of a pillar. The armature of the dynamo is connected to the shaft attached with the blades of a windmill. When the blowing wind strikes the blades of the windmill or turbine, the kinetic energy of wind changes into the rotational kinetic energy of the blades. The rotation of blades of the turbine rotates the armature of the dynamo in the magnetic field between the pole pieces N and S of a strong magnet, thus an alternating EMF is produced between the terminals T1 and T2. The electric power generated by a single windmill generator is small. So, to generate a sufficient amount of electric power, a large number of such wind generators are arranged over a big area called wind farm, and then the electric power generated by each generator is combined together for supply to the consumers. Wind energy in India. India has identified several high wind energy regions, including islands in the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, coastal areas of Gujarat and southern Tamil Nadu, parts of Rajasthan, western Madhya Pradesh, and Karnataka. The Indian government has initiated numerous projects to harness wind energy. For example, in Gujarat, a wind power station at Lamba in the Porbandar district operates with 50 wind generators over 200 hectares, producing 2,000 million units of power annually. Another 1 megawatt wind power station is established in Okha, Gujarat. Advantages of wind energy. 1. Wind energy is a freely available natural resource. 2. It is a clean energy source that does not contribute to pollution. Limitations of wind energy. 1. Wind energy is unreliable as fast-moving wind is not always present. 2. Windmills and turbines are non-functional in the absence of wind, leading to increased operational costs. 3. Consistent wind velocity is not guaranteed.